Hi guys, tara, Ocean Park tayo.
Ocean Park!
Isa ito sa tourist destination ng Hong Kong. Hindi kompleto ang Hong Kong journey mo pag hindi mo ito napuntahan. Mahaba-habang lakaran nga lang guys pag mag-MTR ka. At dahil nag-MTR nga lang kami, medyo malayo-layo ang nilakad namin galing exit ng MTR papuntang entrance ng Ocean Park. Entrance fee nila dito ay 498 Hong Kong dollar sa adult, 12 above. Para sa child naman, 249 Hong Kong dollar, 3 to 11 years old. At pag may 3 years old below naman, free na sila, wala silang entrance. Bago makarating sa mismong entrance, may bag checking. Hindi pa to yung mismong entrance. Pwede rin pumunta dito sa picture taking lang, pang Instagram kung walang budget.
Let's go! Welcome to Ocean Park!
Sobrang init nga lang nung pumunta kami kasi summer. Ideal time na pumunta dito is winter. Kahit tirik ang araw, malamig ang hangin. Magpapapicture pa sana kami sa sobrang init nagbubisit na ang Indianong ama, kaya dumiretso na lang kami sa entrance. Nag-book na kami online para din na kami pumila sa pagkuha ng ticket. Nakakabili din ng ticket sa mismong Ocean Park. Pag binili mo online yung ticket, valid for 180 days siya. So kahit hindi ka makapunta sa mismong araw na yun, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa mga susunod na araw. May mga pre-coupons silang binibigay dito para sa games. Magagamit mo yung mga coupon na to pag gusto mo mag-games. Ayan, nakapasok na nga kami at ganda-gandahan daw nga muna ako. Charar. Hinanap muna namin kung saan kami makapagrenta ng stroller para hindi mainitan ng Indianong waray at di rin siya mapagod kakalakad. Una naming pinuntahan rito yung mga buhaya at mga isda. Ang lalaki ng mga isda nila dito mukhang tilapia. Kung ganito lang kalaki yung tilapia, ang sarap na inihaw nito kapartner ng talong.
Si Arya, there's a crocodile. Arya! Hey! There's a crocodile! Arya! There's a crocodile here. It's walking towards Arya. You want to eat daddy. You want to eat daddy. Oh no. Oh, that's one more. Let's see them already. Two of them. He was hugging a while ago. What?
After namin sa mga isda at buhaya, diretso naman kami sa panda. Hindi namin masyadong nakita yung panda dito, natutulog kasi.
Hindi pa yung panda malaki yung bahay. Malaki pa sa bahay yung mga tao. Hi. So guys. Okay, later walk. Sit. Should I lock it?
Hindi na namin hinintay magising yung panda, dumiretso na kami dito sa mga
Let's go to
isda.
the fish.
Sunod namin pinuntahan yung mga iba't ibang klase ng goldfish.
Nemo, Arya's favorite fish. Nemo. Let's cook Nemo, Arya.
Bago kami makarating sa goldfish, nadaanan muna namin dito yung mga pagong.
Come. Oh, the tortoise. It's so small. It's not growing. Oh, it's here. It's in front of us. Two. It's three. Four. Oh, it's many. Two, it's just one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On top of that? Ew. The mermaid. Otter. Is there any otter here? Otter. It's not here. Fish now. Fish. Let's try the
At ito na nga guys, yung mga ginintuang isda na hindi nasasangla.
Tilapia. Tarachus. Auratus. Carp. This is carp, it says. This one is goldfish. What is Nemo, Arya? Does she have fish? This one is having eye bags. It's not sleeping. They're not sleeping, that's why. Look at the eyes. Goldfish. Wait in. What is this? There's no more fish. Big one, big fish.
Ang lalaki ng mga koi fish nila sa personal, may paniniwala sila na pag naghagis ka ng barya rito, matutupad yung wish mo. Kaya naghagis na rin kami ng barya.
Let's make you feel hungry. This one is too big and it's fatty. It's too good for sweet and sour or paksiw. Paksiw. Let's cook paksiw. Okay, let's go. Inside the fish. Oh my God, it's inside you. It's inside. Look, it's inside. Look like this one tilapia. I love tilapia. You wish. You wish. Okay, wish, wish. Oh, they have vanilla. Give it now. Give it to the fish. Give it. Okay. Let's go. Sit, 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 sit.
Pagkatapos namin sa mga isda, dumiretso na kami sa may sky cable para lumipat papunta sa kabilang bundok. Marami pang mapupuntahan rito, kaya lang nagugutom na kami. Kaya dumiretso na kami papunta sa may kabilang bundok kung saan nandun yung mga main attraction ng Ocean Park at mga ride. Kailangan mo nga lang magtiyaga sa dami ng mga nakapila. Pwede rin naman sumakay sa train. May train sila papunta sa taas, may train din papunta sa baba. Nung umuwi kami, nag-train na lang kami pabalik. Ang dami pang pwedeng puntahan dito sa baba at marami pang attraction dito. Kaya lang masyado na kaming mapapagod kung uliputin pa namin lahat sa sobrang lawak nito. Mas maganda kung pupunta kayo rito, agahan nyo na para makover nyo lahat, pati yung mga rides. Pero kung may baby naman kayong kasama, kahit medyo late na kayo pumunta para yung baby nyo hindi masyadong mapagod at hindi rin masyadong mainitan.
Me too. Me too. Stop, yeah, stop picking like that. Ayaw may pakilong. What to have? Oh, no. It smells like waffle. Waffle. What is this? Yeah, last time we came out, we had interview. This one. Oh, ano yun? Oh, what you? Long queue. Long queue for the cable car. Going up, right? This is the old market.
Mahaba-habang lakaran muna nilakad namin bago kami makarating sa cable car. Karating nga namin ang haba na ng pila neto bago kami makasakay sa cable car. Kaya ginawa muna namin, nagmarites muna kaming dalawa.
Oh, what is your name? Hello, what is your name? Ward? Waiting for long?
Sobrang haba ng pila, halos umabot kami ng 1 oras rito naghihintay. Pati si Indianang Waray nagugutom na rin.
Mommy went there and that last time. For long time ago.
We'll be crossing that hill and we'll going to the other side. Okay? Like it? Sit down. Nothing to be scared of.
I need to be scared of. Oh, it's like you're flying like a pigeon.
It's like a... Don't have fun. High, right?
Usual mommy is yours yucky. Oh, papa. Okay, time to have food. Then you need to carry it. I think there's some more. There's an exit promo. So, you need to pay it.
Para maiwasan ng maraming tao rito at maraming pila, pumunta kayo rito ng weekdays. Pag weekend kasi, madalas pumupunta yung mga tao rito at pag holiday rin. Kaya maiiwasan mo talaga yung maraming tao kung weekdays ka pupunta rito. Kaya lang yung available time lang ni Indianong Ama is weekend. Kaya weekend kami pumunta rito, maraming tao. Pati holiday, maraming tao rito. Kaya iwasan nyo yung ganong time. Gutom na kami rito, kaya hinanap namin agad yung kainan. Nagpaikot-ikot pa kami kakahanap ng kainan sa sobrang lawak ng lugar. Kaya dapat alerto ka sa mga signboard nila rito. Dami na naming gutom na ito bago namin nahanap yung kainan at umuusok na rin ang bumbunan namin. Kaya patago-tago na ako sa lilim. Sobrang gutom na talaga kami rito at hindi pa namin mahanap-hanap yung kainan. Bawal rin pala kasi magdala rito ng pagkain at inumin galing sa labas. No choice ka talaga kundi bumili ng pagkain na binibenta nila dito sa loob. Ang sad nga lang dahil wala kaming nakitang kanin kundi puro snacks.
Like large fries is 50 cents, special fries, small fries is 2 pesos. One more.
Pagkatapos namin kumain, naglaro nga muna kami. Dito mo pala magagamit yung coupon na binigay sa'yo sa entrance.
There's one more Italia, 2 more Italia. Oh, nothing. Yapa. Only one. Only one. What is that?
After namin maglaro, dumiretso naman kami sa South Pole. Sa South Pole makikita yung mga penguin at fox. Alam namin sobrang lamig dito sa loob, kaya lang nakalimutan namin magdala ng jacket. Kaya medyo mabilis lang kami rito at pumunta kami agad sa may fox.
Penguin! Alia's friend! Penguin! Come, penguin! Come to your home! Come! Oh, it's gone! How about her? She feels so cold. The quality penguin. Look, 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 look. Get up, get up, get up. People, people. Okay, let's go, let's go. So, back kami. Kain ako ng ano. Let's go. Small headphones. So, this here. I don't know. This here. Next one. Sleeping in bed. I think they already done. Smelly? Sleeping. Sorry. Nothing is here on the other side. It is too burning. Nothing. Yeah, it's sleeping because it's not.
It's actually sleeping. It is awake.
Sleeping.
Oh, see that?
He's getting disturbed. It's getting disturbed with this thing. I think it's getting trained. Don't want to see the poop so inside.
They're doing it inside.
Or somehow there's something, they're putting some spray, smell of poop, so they're going to poop them.
Actually, I think that is place because attacking the corner.
Yes, they're doing poop so. Winter, summer. So there's a color like this is for summer. And the pure white one is winter.
As a hard one. There's a man
There's something like anything. It's more not. It's okay. It's really the poop something. That's it, that's it.
Pagkatapos namin sa South Pole, dumiretso naman kami sa North Pole. Dito makikita yung mga walrus at saka mga
We
seals.
are in a South Pole. Oh, look, ano yun? Oh my goodness. What is it? Pokra. Larga. You see that? Oh, it's go already. Oh, see that? Sila yun. Oh my goodness. Sila yun. Look at them. Don't go inside. Look at them. Oh, they're resting. See that? See them? See them? They're resting inside. Look.
See that? No, over there.
What are they doing while you're inside? Yes. Let's go. Somehow it's cool here. Cool here, much better. Outside it's too hot. Nothing is here. Wow, look at that right now. Mara. How about this rolling? How about this? So underwater. Underwater. Oh, journeys continue to underwater. Tapos it first. Ano? Oo, gusto ko. Hindi naghanap, no? Because we need to go in the escalator.
Ito nga guys, bumaba kami sa ilalim para makita namin sila na mas malapitan. Nakakalito rin dito sa loob magpaikot-ikot. Wala ka rin ganong mapagtanungan ng mga staff. Kaya dapat lagi ka talagang nagbabasa at saka trust your instinct na lang, sabi nga. Ganito nga guys yung view sa ilalim. Mas malapit siya at mas maganda.
This is exit. Yeah, it's going for exit. Wow, they got his photo. Bumili muna kami ng mga kain at pampalamig bago kami manood ng Sea Lion at Dolphin Show. May nadaanan kami ditong Macau kaya nakipagtsikahan muna ako.
After makipagmatigasan sa Macau, dumiretso na kami dito sa may Dolphin at Sea Lion Show.
It's so hot.
Inagahan na namin yung punta rito dahil expected namin mapupuno to katulad ng sa Manila Ocean Park. Medyo disappointed nga lang kami sa Sea Lion nila rito dahil hindi kasing galing ng Sea Lion sa Manila Ocean Park. No offense in total show, mas maganda talaga ang show at organize ang show ng Manila Ocean Park kaysa dito sa Hong Kong. After namin manood, last stoppage namin is bumili ng souvenir.
Oh, I can use that, you know? Can you see that?
Where is she?
Use that. Or buy this.
Where is she?
She's here, oh. Or buy this. Oh, good. This is good. Hold on. I demonstrate how it really works. Nobody's looking at you. Hold on. Yeah, that mommy showing that is saying that it is for face. No, no.
This is to pull the cloth.
Oh, this is no. This is the one for you. Want to buy souvenir also? Okay. Yung standard. I will buy this souvenir.